Are you preparing for the Google Generative AI Leader exam and just getting started? Welcome to Study for Exam. In this video, we'll go through 5 important practice questions that every beginner should know before taking the exam. Pause the video, choose your answer, and let's test your knowledge. Question 1. A retail company wants to use generative AI to improve customer engagement. Which use case best aligns with responsible and high-impact adoption of generative AI? A. Automatically generating legal contracts without human review. B. Using generative AI to summarize customer feedback for product teams. C. Replacing all customer support agents with an AI chatbot. D. Allowing generative AI to independently set product prices.
Correct answer, B. Using generative AI to summarize customer feedback for product teams. Explanation: summarizing customer feedback helps teams gain insights faster while keeping humans in the loop. It augments decision-making rather than fully automating high-risk activities like legal work, pricing, or workforce replacement. Question 2. Which factors should leaders prioritize first when evaluating whether generative AI is appropriate for a business process? A. The availability of large data sets. B. The cost of AI infrastructure. C. The business value and risk of the use case. D. The speed of model inference. Correct answer, C. The business value and risk of the use case. Explanation: the exam emphasizes starting with business outcomes and risk assessment. Leaders should first evaluate whether generative AI meaningfully improves the process and whether risks such as hallucinations or bias are acceptable. Question 3. A generative AI model produces confident but incorrect responses. What is this phenomenon called? A. Model drift. B. Overfitting. C. Hallucination. D. Tokenization. Correct answer, C. Hallucination. Explanation: hallucinations occur when a model generates plausible sounding but incorrect or fabricated information. Leaders are expected to understand this limitation and ensure safeguards like human review and grounding in trusted data. Question 4. Which practice best supports responsible AI principles when deploying generative AI? A. Training models only on proprietary data. B. Providing transparency about AI-generated content. C. Maximizing automation to reduce human involvement. D. Avoiding any use of customer data. Correct answer, B. Providing transparency about AI-generated content. Explanation: transparency builds trust and aligns with responsible AI principles. Users should know when content is AI-generated and understand its limitations. Total automation and data avoidance are not realistic or recommended approaches. Question 5. Why is prompt design important for business users of generative AI? A. It changes the size of the model. B. It controls cloud infrastructure costs. C. It helps guide the model toward more accurate and useful outputs. D. It eliminates the need for governance. Correct answer, C. It helps guide the model toward more accurate and useful outputs. Explanation: prompt design directly influences output quality. Clear instructions, context, and constraints help reduce hallucinations and improve relevance. The exam expects leaders to understand prompt quality as a key success factor.
That's it for today's 5 important practice questions for the Google Generative AI Leader exam. For more updated and real exam-level questions, visit studyforexam.com. If you want part 2 with more practice questions for this exam, comment part 2 below. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and stay connected with S4E Exam Prep Hub. Good luck with your preparation. See you in the next video.